Hello everybody, welcome back to Will's Mountain Homestead. If you're new, my name is Wendy, and today I'm going to show you how to take this guy right here and separate them out so that this pot doesn't get completely root bound, because that is what is happening right now. And I want to salvage these to plant these in the garden here in just a few weeks, but we need to take care of them first. So we're going to pull them out. Each one is going to get pulled out and put into its own separate growing pot. So let me show you how to do that. In here, you can see how the root is coming right down through here. So what you want to do is very carefully grab the root piece and pull that straight up. And then you will see I have a long root right there. Go ahead and take a pot and then try and put this down in as far as you can without bending it too much or damaging it. And then backfill in around the plant itself. Just like that. And now this guy is its own little lettuce plant. Water this really well and then sit it in a sunny spot. It could be a sunny window. It doesn't necessarily need to go under grow lights at this point because it is already established. And in just a few weeks, we will transplant these into the garden. But keep in mind, since we did this, it may go into shock for a day or two. So it may look like it's going to die and get really limpy. But don't worry about it. It's not dead, I promise. Just put it in a sunny window and keep watering it. Make sure that the soil is moist and it will come back and it should thrive very well for you. Separating these out like that will give you a much bigger yield over a longer period of time, because what's happening, these different varieties of lettuce in here, it's okay to get them started, but there's no room in here for these to expand and grow like they would if they were in a garden space or even in their own pot. So you can see even with this one, I had to pinch the top off because it was going to seed already. And that's not what we want. So we're going to continue this with each of these and put them in their own pots. And hopefully we will have all of our lettuces then planted and ready to go in their own containers for spring. So in this, we have 4 individual pots, and then I did keep these smaller ones here all together so that they can grow a little bit bigger And then when the time comes, I'm just going to put it into the ground just like this. And then they will all grow and spread together. But this will help us get our lettuces started for our summer harvest. Here are my plants that I did 3 days ago, and nothing has germinated yet except, I don't know if you can see it or not, right here, right there, we have a little guy right there trying to poke his little head up. So we've got some germination happening, so I'm gonna give it another day, and then I'm gonna turn our grow lights on these, and we'll get them growing here in no time. When it comes to separating your plants, just like I showed you, you can do the same thing whenever you are planting your tomato plants and your peppers. If you seed more than 2 seeds into a tray or a seed cup, and they both mature and one doesn't look worse than the other one, just grab it right at the base, gently pull it out, and transplant it into another pot, and then you've got another successful plant that has already germinated. It just needs a little love and support, and it will grow up and produce vegetables for you. So it's really easy to do. Give it a try if you have a chance to do this, and experiment with it and see if you can get your plants to grow just as well, starting them in a group pot like this and then separating them out. Good luck. Bye.